beauties, it's me, Allegra. Babes, I just got back from the drugstore and I spotted some new drugstore makeup, so I did a little bit of a drugstore makeup haul today. I got a lot. Well, you know, drugstore makeup is so expensive now, so it's actually almost as expensive as Sephora and, well, Ulta does have drugstore, but anyway, I got a lot of stuff, so I did a haul, guys, and I figured that we could try everything out together and see how it works, see how it applies. So let's just jump right into it. And if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Alegra Chetti. I hope you'll subscribe and stay in touch. We have tons of giveaways, all kinds of fun times, so definitely click that subscribe button and join the fam. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. It helps me out so much. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this testing out new drugstore makeup video. So beauties, I got so much stuff. I got these cute little sponges here. They had all of these. There's like, how many in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's like 10 little sponges in here, all different shapes and sizes. I got my favorite Revlon blue black hair dye so I could dye my hair. And okay, this we could try out right now. I'm really excited. Oh, I also did get a primer though, so I'll put the primer on and then we'll try this. But this is the Maybelline 4-in-1 Perfector and Whipped Makeup Instant Age Rewind. So here it is. This is supposed to be a primer, a concealer, and a base, and a corrector all in one, 4-in-1. So actually I probably don't need to even put on primer. This says it's gonna be a primer, but guys, I need primer. I can't imagine. I sort of feel like I need primer. I feel like I just can't go in with no primer, but that will be the point of finding out, right? Oh, this feels like chunky in here. It sounds like it's like making a noise. But I did get the shade 02, so this is light medium. I think they only had like 4 or maybe 5 shades. Anyway, let me just show you really quickly what else I got. I got this new Maybelline mascara. This is called Colossal Curl and Bounce. So I figured we could try this out. I got the very black shade. And this is the NYX pore filler that I really wanted to try today because my skin is looking very textured, but I do want to try that foundation without primer, so I guess I'll have to save this for another day. And I also picked up another Maybelline Fit Me Powder, so I can't wait to give this another try. And then beauties, I got this. This is new from NYX, I believe. This is called NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. So I'm really excited to try this. I love a good brow gel. And I also got a new NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil. This one actually is milk. The other one that I tried the other day is cottage cheese, which was lighter. It's much lighter than you would imagine. But I wanted to try the original milk version to see just if it packs a bit more punch. So I'm going to try this out today as well. I used to use that as an eyeshadow base, but today I'm going to use it and try it as a highlighter. I saw someone doing that. It looked amazing. So anyway, guys, let's just jump right into it. So actually, something that I've been really enjoying doing lately is using my brow gel before my pencil, and I kind of do this to give that full and fluffy look. So let me go ahead and show you how I've been doing it, and then we'll also try this out. Hopefully it applies the same as the other brow gels that I've been using. So what I've been doing lately to get a full and fluffy brow look is that I just first brush the brows up with a brow gel, and then you want to take the brow gel and kind of scrub it into your brows and make a zigzag back and forth motion. So beauties, my initial reaction to this though is that it doesn't really feel like it's doing anything right now. Definitely does not feel like Control Freak vibes. It feels like very natural. It feels like nothing, almost like nothing. Maybe you have to wait till it dries, so let's give it a moment to dry. Otherwise, I do have my NYX Brow Glue, which I love and I know works amazing. Beauty, so yeah, it's still not drying. A few minutes have gone by and they still feel wet. I'm gonna go in with my tried and true favorite. This is the NYX Brow Glue. Now this one I know is amazing. So to be honest, if you see this one in store, I personally would pass on it. So let's just go ahead and do that same thing that we just did. I'm gonna brush the brow hairs up, and then I'm gonna make that zigzag motion. It's almost like you're scrubbing it into your brows. So I'm gonna carve out my brows now, and then I'm gonna fill them in a bit. And now I'm just gonna fill in any sparse spaces. So beauties, that's where we're at with the brows so far. I absolutely love how they look. It's a different technique. Normally previously a lot of people would have used the pencil first and then the brow glue, but if you use the brow glue first, it gives something for the pencil or the product to kind of hold on to. So it gives a much more fuller and fluffier look. So I absolutely love doing that. And now, dolls, we can get into the face. So let's see here. I'm really excited to try this. Hopefully we don't need primer with it, but I don't know. We'll work it out, right? If we do. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Ooh. Now that looks very dark. And like I said, I got number 2. There was only one lighter shade before this. That looks like a 3 to me. That looks very deep. Oh my, what? This, you guys, wait till I show you. Maybe this is gonna look different on my skin, but this is very deep. All right, okay, it's transforming. Because that looked so dark when I took it out of the pack, you know, when it came out. This does not seem like it's giving any coverage. It does feel very silky and really nice, but maybe I'm wrong, but so far I don't feel like it really did anything. Wow. It's a nice healthy glow, but did not conceal my circles, did not do really anything. It feels like a primer on my hand. It's kind of putty like, and then you break it up. It reminds me, look how dark that looks on my hand, you guys. It reminds me of, did you ever feel the Professional primer from Benefit? That's exactly what this feels like. And is it matching my neck, you guys? Is it even matching my skin? No. Wow, this is not what I expected. This is not what I expected, you guys. The only thing is I'm going to put this under my foundation as a primer. Here's some foundation. Let's see how it looks with underneath the foundation, because I think this is going to be really nice under foundation. All right, let me put on some concealer now so we can hopefully lighten up this situation here. And I'm going to try some of the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. I love that. That is absolutely a gorgeous, gorgeous powder. I think in the past I had gotten the maybe pure translucent shade, and I don't know, today I got the shade 10 and I feel like it's so much more complimentary. I think the first one I tried was too bright, but this one is perfection. So I'm just gonna put on some contour powder. So I'm absolutely loving that, and I'm just going to give myself a spritz of my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist for glowing skin and your longest lasting makeup too. Smells so good. And I'm going to do my eyes. I'm going to put on some lashes, and then I'm going to try that NYX Milk Stick as a highlighter. And so I'll be right back. So beauties, I'm back. I just popped on a quick eye. Kind of quick. It actually takes longer than I guess it seems, than it would look. But anyhow, I have that new mascara. I forgot I was gonna pop on lashes, but then I remembered I have that new mascara to try out with you beauties. So this is the Maybelline Curl and Bounce Mascara. So I figured we could give this a go and see how it works. So I do love the packaging. It has a beautiful curved applicator. And let's see, already I'm seeing some lashes. Wow, I was not expecting that because, you know, sometimes with drugstore makeup, I guess it's hit or miss. Some things you just love and some things it's just, you know, not what you were expecting, like that foundation. Is that what it is, guys? Maybe, you know, call me crazy, maybe I'm wrong. I just didn't feel like it did anything. But as a primer, yes, I love this finish. But actually, guys, I'm sorry I got off topic, but this mascara is amazing. I was really scared to buy this mascara because I said, girl, you really don't need mascara. I have plenty, but I said, let me try it. This is good. This mascara is so good. Plus some mascaras, to be honest, that you try, but you know, regardless, high end, and they're no good. This one is good, guys. Wow, it's giving me so much lashes. I have very sparse lashes, so I actually don't even feel like I need lashes now, when I always do feel like I need lashes. So, okay, I think that's pretty much everything I got. I didn't get a new lip, did I? No. I got a new lip the other day, but I didn't get a new lip today. But I will put that lip on because it's gorgeous and I've been loving it, and not everybody has seen my last video. It's the NYX Slide and Glide On and Stay. I don't know what, I gotta grab it, it's so good. And also beauties, actually I'm gonna try this out really quick. before I put on the lip. But this is the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. And now this one I'm going to try as a highlighter today. Like I said, I have used this all over as an eyeshadow primer, but today I'm going to use it as a highlighter. So put some here and blend it. I'll put some here. So let me go ahead and kind of blend it. Beautiful. God, oh, I like this better than the cottage cheese because it's just packing a bit more punch. But here is some highlighter. Let me put some traditional powder highlighter on top. Yes, that's beautiful. So beauties, actually I forgot I did get this the other day, and this is so gorgeous. This is new from Revlon. This is the ColorStay Matte Light Crayon, and let me see here what shade I got, but this is gorgeous. I was wearing this the other day and I was in love with it so much. I can't really see what shade it is. Tread Lightly from Revlon. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on and show you beauties. It's beautiful and it lasts and lasts, and it feels exactly like any high-end lipstick. So let me go ahead and pop this on. So beauties, this is the finished look. OMG, what can I say about this lip? Like what? This lip is so good and it stays all day. It feels totally weightless on your lips. I love this lipstick so much. I should go back and get another one. They had a few pretty shades that I really liked, but I just got one, but I actually think I should go get another one. I love it so much. But anyway, beauties, this mascara is amazing. Love this, highly recommend. Picking this up if you're in the market for a new mascara. I think you would love this. This is so good. And what else did we try today? This right here from NYX Control Freak. I would definitely pass on this. I would love to return this. Maybe I will if I can. You can return it without the packaging. I think without the wrapper, I think you can. So I'm gonna try to return that. And anyway, beauties, the Fit Me Powder for my complexion in 10 is perfection. Love this. Now I tried the cottage cheese from NYX the other day, which I really liked, but I do love the NYX Milk better as a highlighter, and as a base for your powder highlighter. Stunning. So out of the two, I prefer the traditional, the old school one, the matte one. If you want a little bit more glam, it does pack a bit more punch. The cottage cheese is a little bit, it has shimmer in it, but I love the milk for that highlight look and to make your brow bone pop and your nose on the highlight pop. Definitely love that. And then this, beauties, I have to say, I think I love this as a primer primarily. I do see a difference because I have worn this foundation before and I don't remember it giving me this effect. And it definitely does feel like it's a pore putty type of product. It feels so soothing and nice on my skin, but I didn't feel like it gave me any coverage or anything like that. But definitely as just a straight up primer, yes. I was gonna return it, but actually I'm gonna keep it and use it as a primer. It's pretty much stunning as a primer. And then of course the NYX Brow Glue. This stuff is good. This stuff is really good. This stuff is definitely another one. Drugstore better than high-end, because I did purchase the Co-Sauce. And it's the same thing. Maybe this is even better because this one is very powerful. Your brows are just not going anywhere. They definitely make them look so full and fluffy. So this is amazing, amazing. So I think that's pretty much it, beauties. I forgot I did get this pencil, but we'll try this out another day. This is just a white eyeliner for the waterline, but I'll try that out another day. But anyway, beauties, I think that's pretty much everything I picked up. Let me know if you've tried any of these. Have you had a similar experience with the Maybelline 4-in-1 Perfector? Let me know down below what your experiences have been. And beauties, if you're not already subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe, because today I'm having a pop-up giveaway for my subscribers. So be a subscriber and you'll be entered to win. And I'm giving away a $25 Ulta or Sephora gift card. So just be a subscriber, like I said, and comment down below Glam Fam, and you'll be entered into today's makeup giveaway. So thank you, beauties, so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my new drugstore makeup. Let me know what you think of everything down below. I hope you beauties are all doing good. Remember, stay safe, stay positive, stay focused on good things, and I will see you dolls very soon. Bye.